In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your email address on Duckduckgo. Today, we are going to set up Duckduckgo email protection, a simple privacy feature that helps keep your real inbox safe from hidden trackers and unwanted spam. By the end, you'll have a private @duck.com forwarding address that lets you stay in control of who sees your email for better inbox privacy control over time. Start by opening the Duckduckgo email protection page in your browser. This is the official setup hub where the service is managed, and it allows emails to be cleaned of tracking elements before they reach you. You do not need to change your current email provider. Instead, this works as a protective layer placed between websites and your existing inbox, keeping your address private while messages still arrive normally. Sign in to your Duckduckgo account and follow the prompts to securely authenticate. Once inside, you will be able to activate email protection from your account dashboard. After enabling the feature, create your personal @duck.com email address. Choose something easy to remember, since this will be the alias you share when signing up for websites or services. Next, set your main inbox as the destination for forwarded messages. If verification is required, confirm it from your email so everything connects properly and messages flow without issues. For smoother delivery, you can add the Duckduckgo Ghost Sender to your contacts so important messages do not get filtered into spam. From this point forward, use your new Duckduckgo address whenever you register online. This helps hide your real email while also reducing tracking through hidden pixels and links. You can also enable private email addresses for extra protection. These are unique, random addresses that can be used for individual websites, and they can be turned off anytime if unwanted messages appear. Keep an eye on the Tracker Removal Report in your settings. It shows what tracking elements were removed so you can understand how your privacy is being protected. If spam or unwanted senders appear, use the block feature to stop them before they reach your inbox. Building the habit of using your Duckduckgo email alias consistently is what truly keeps your real address safe over time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.